Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub. What's your good name?
Muhammad Abdullah.
All right, Abdullah. Do you work or study?
I am working as a data analyst in Rahman Enterprises, and my core job is to making a software quality assurance test. And so I am to answer your question. I am working now.
All right. What kind of place is your hometown?
I live in a well cultured and traditional city. My hometown is located as a core city of core part of the country. It usually has traditional things to do there, and historical monuments and parks are also available
Okay,
there.
what is the most interesting part of your city?
The most interesting part I consider is the historical background, because there are a number of forts and gardens that were made earlier by the Mughal empires, and people love to spend times, and tourists are also keen to visit these places.
Has your hometown changed in any way in your lifetime?
Yeah, due to the technology enhancement, the peoples are moving to do the urbanizations, and the building structures are time to time changing with the new infrastructures. Architectures are making the skyscrapers type buildings, which are more flexible and provide the comforts of life.
Would you say that your hometown is a good place for young people to live
Yes,
in?
I totally agree with this, because there are government is putting up their all efforts to recreate, renovate the gardens, and come up with the unique ideas for the youngsters to do extracurricular activities as with part of their studies, like new cinemas and new playstations areas, and new clubs are organized by and look after by the administrations for the young peoples
All
to.
right, thank you. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a popular teacher that you know. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes, to speak up on my topic, the teacher I most admire and popular is my mathematician teacher. I love to I love to learn from them. He is popular due to his online lectures, because he helped candidates to learn mathematics in unique and easy way within a few time. He's a technical person, and he has a lifelong experience for the teaching mathematics. He usually teach mathematics in such a way that people can understand and communicate them with a well organized structures, and cover the topic within a time. And he also make funs in class, so that people can never get bored of the hectic time period they are learning with new things.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Can I get the book? We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What can schools do to help students prepare for the next stage in their lives?
I think schools should plan structure for the people, for the students to tell about the future things that they required, and put up special lectures for the future skills that are important for the people to learn from the time from the starting time at this stage. There must be something that create ability to work their own, and to tolerate the things with patient.
What advice would you give to someone who doesn't like school?
uh, I like to convince people with an idea that education is a core part of our life, because it tells us about the living style lifestyles, and how to manage our things in a proper way, and how to compete with our competitors. So I recommend them uh, to get learn, and so that our economy and our literacy rate also be improved.
Okay, that's right. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Overall, it started well. In
Right.
speaking part one, you went on well. Although you made some mistakes like to making. After to, we use first form.
First.
Then you said people's.
Ji.
We say people. We
People.
don't say people's. And in part two, when you talked about your mathematic teacher, you mispronounced the word and you said mathematician teacher. Now, mathematician is
Yes.
a person who knows maths,
Maths.
who is expert in maths. We call him mathematician, right? With mathematician, you cannot use teacher.
Teacher.
Simply say he was a mathematician, means
Mathematician.
expert in maths.
Yes.
Then after that, you said he help. It should have been he helps.
He helps.
Right?
Yes.
Then you said mathematics. Wrong pronunciation. Either you could say maths,
Maths.
or you could say mathematics.
Mathematics.
Mathematics, right? And then you said within few time. We don't say few time, we say some time.
Sometime.
Yeah, within some time or within a short
Short
period of
period of
time, that is better. Then you said he make, that creates. It should have been he makes, that creates. So these type of mistakes. And in part three also, you had grammatical mistakes.
Yes.
So looking at your overall performance, still the way you performed.
Yes.
In other parts, it's just grammar.
Yes, sir.
In vocabulary, fluency and all that, I would rate you at 6 band.
Thank you, sir.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you so much.